Welcome to Red Willow Art. In this demonstration, we will show you how to view the artwork you are interested in a sample room. But first, let's check out the home page at Red Willow Art. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, you will see the menu items for our website. You may scroll down to explore the featured artists and featured collections at Red Willow Art. We also have a blog, so be sure to check back regularly for any updates or new features. Now, let's view a painting that we selected in a sample room. We choose Linda Fissler's collection. Here you can scroll down to explore Linda Fissler's collection. When you find the painting you would like to see on a sample wall, select that painting. After exploring the page, select the View in Sample Room. The sample room is loaded with the image placed on the wall. You can move the image, enlarge the image. You can change the type of room that the image is being displayed in by selecting Room at the bottom of the page. Perhaps you'd like to see this space with an additional artwork. Select the Artwork tab and then select the artwork that you would like to place besides, above, or below the painting that is already in the sample room. Simply click on the image you would like to add to the sample room and drag it to its spot. As you can see, you can change the sizes and placement of both images. Select the Frame button at the bottom of the screen, and you can then look at the images with the various frames. There is also a Rotate button at the bottom of the page. Select the Download button to save the image. When you have finished viewing in the sample room, just click the X in the upper right-hand corner. Select Yes, and you will be taken back to the artwork page that you selected originally. Here you can add this image to your cart. Please notice that there are installment plans available at Shop Pay, and we also have some preloaded images below the main image. To return to the home page, just select the Red Willow Art icon. Thank you for joining us at Red Willow Art. Enjoy your experience of shopping at home for luxury art made accessible.